this? What's this little area?
Oh, that's one of those, so you have your own garden?
Oh, okay, yeah. We have one right by our house. Oh, yeah, okay.
You can't be so close to me for the video. And quit trying to walk normal. I'm torturing my my niece. I know, oh, you're fine. You'll fit into them. Just loosen them up. Or these really, really thick socks and these shoes that are too small for you. And we're going to go walking for 3 miles.
But I also didn't tell you I was a size 8. And then that changed. Now I'm a size 9 or a 10. I don't know. Or 11. Clearly.
So first we went for a foot massage. So like I teased her into relaxation and then shoved her in these shoes.
I am fine.
She's a mean aunt.
The adorable doggies distract me from the blistering.
She's a mean aunt. Just admit it. She can put her down.
You can put her on down. Here.
Why are you so afraid to hold her?
I'm not afraid to hold her. I just
Crunchy. Who still calls you Crunchy? Ty?
You're the one that does.
Oh, baloney. Your dad doesn't call you Crunchy?
He said he wasn't icky though. We told him not to do that. Crunchy.
What does he call you?
It's not anything. Elsa.
Oh, wow. That's kind of boring.
He can't. He's cranky too. Oh, look at.
Cuteness.
Wait, that's cute. I know. I love that little sweater. Why doesn't Bayla have a jacket on?
She hates my clothes with,
You know?
with passion.
Really?
Yes. I'll put something on her when we get home and she'll just stand there like this.
Really stiff.
Yep.
That's funny.
Like we've just put a cute.
No,
Look at Dougie Fresh. He's on a mission.
he is. It's like, why don't you guys cut your complaining about your
I
feet?
don't know. Why does he keep wanting beer at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon?
I don't know.
He's like, we're on vacation because we have company. You two are the cutest little
Then he
couple.
offers it. I'm like, sure, this is weird for me, but okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you're on vacation.
Here we go. I could never do this at home.
Look at you. You got such pretty fur. You got such pretty fur. Yes, you do. Look at you two.
They're besties.
So cute. Is it a little Bichon?
Perfect.
Huh?
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
It's long here.
We're still at the dog park. We've been here for how long?
She's still walking. Oh, is this going on the YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Whoa. We've been here for 50 minutes.
50 minutes? No.
At least. Sure, look. Oh, cutie.
Oh, wow.
Cute face.
You need your exercise because what'd you eat today?
Cinnamon roll, eggs, bacon. We each had a little part of croissant. Now our bellies are all full.
Now we're gonna go home and eat some more.
Out. Oh, we are?
For sure. We got to go to Dick's and Dazo and a lot more fun things to do. Checking out.